And it has my label. Hi everyone, it's 11:30 and sahi ndio napika breakfast na tengeneza breakfast. Yesterday was such a hectic day, honestly, so nimelala up to 10, yeah, up to 10 something. Anyways, for today's breakfast I'm going to try a new recipe. Leo ni ile siku ya kukula slices nne za mkate. Nataka sijui kama what I want to prepare ita come through. I'm going to use a recipe niliona on YouTube. Niliona ametumia things like cheese. I'm not a fan of cheese. Akatumia capsicum. I don't have capsicum in my house at the moment, so natumia tu kenye niko nayo, mayai and maybe spring onions and salt na hizo vitu zote. So yeah, let's prepare breakfast and I'm going to show you how I prepare it. Na sio tutorial. I'm just trying something new. I have honestly been neglecting my balcony garden, but that's because I want to like renovate it in general, like plant new vegetables over there and get new planters and get soil, everything afresh for next year. So I'm going to pick my spring onions from my garden. This will be enough. I'm going to add some paprika. I got these labels from an IG page called Clear Labels. I'll link it down below if you're interested. So I'm just going to eyeball that. Black pepper. And then you add your spring onions. Oh shit. They smell so good. I'm already salivating. Wow. I feel like kila YouTuber akitest kitu amepika. It is never like not properly done. kila wakati inakuwa food tamu. I was kind of scared nitapatana na mayai huko ndani because I don't like the taste of raw eggs at all. But just check this out. Hakuna like mayai huko ndani yenye haijaiva. It's all cooked. Today I have deliveries to make kwa station yangu. I'm not going to town. But sasa vile I woke up late. This is why I don't like waking up late. I usually wake up at around 7:30, 8 hapo. But today imagine 10 a.m. Where unheard of. So my day, niki wake up late, it usually sijui inapita tu na feel ni kama sijafanya anything. Like today sai ni 12:33. Now I was supposed to make those deliveries at 12:30. Actually sai ndio nafaa kuwa na deliver. So let me eat quickly my breakfast, stroke lunch, because I don't think I'll have something until jioni. And then we can go make those deliveries. Finally, I'm back home. I have done a couple of things. Nimeenda shopping, as you saw, to my tailor's place to take some custom-made clothes. I wanted to show you all the things that I got today and also show you like a small haul of all the things that I'm selling kwa shop, my own custom-made clothes. I'm too excited to show you guys. Sijui kama you'll be the first ama ni watu wa Kairetu's apparel that will be the first to see the custom-made clothes, since sijui hii video will go up lini. But yeah, let me show you what I have designed. Supermarket, nimenunua almond milk these days. Tunakunywa almond milk and it tastes good, but mliona bei. It's so freaking expensive for 90 bob. I'm trying to cut on dairy kwa sababu ya skin yangu. Ni nyama kitu sidanganyane. Nyama sijui kama I'll be able to cut on it. Also, I also got parcel. It smells so nice kwa nguo, so I use this. I got mayai, eggs, those who cannot understand Kiswahili. I also got rice, the pishori one, not pishori, sindano. The sindano one, it was going for 110, just like the one from Marikiti. So yeah. I also got a notebook for my shop. Yenye natumianga, it's almost filled up, so I needed another one. I got some smokies. Also got nyama, yeah, 100 bob. Na feel na crave ugali. so I might prepare ugali and skuma and beef. I also got this and this. Hizi nakunywa maziwa mala na ni mimi huyo nasema nataka kukaton. Hata kwangu it makes sense. But anyways, nimekuwa nikienjoy maziwa mala a lot. That is because of my neighbor Rosa. She usually buys maziwa mala whenever we go shopping together. So I decided to try. Na from nianze kubuy, nimekuwa nikibuy every time naenda supermarket. I also got chumvi. Sikuwa na chumvi. Salt, that is. And I got hand wash. I also got some items I bought from Jumia in Black Friday sales. So the first thing I got ni oil control for deep cleaning the face. Currently sioshi uso na anything, so I decided to try this in case it works well and good. If it doesn't, nitachana tu nayo. I also got Fit Me. Nilinunua makeup on Jumia, but walikuwa wanasema it's from the official store. I hope that's hiyo ni ukweli. Niliona Peace Lois doing a haul from Jumia, and she was, sijui alikuwa naangalia aje how legit the makeup items were. But since niliona pia zake ni legit, I decided to try and buy from Jumia. This is foundation number 365. I guess this is my color. This is my shade, that is. Sijui kama natumianga 365 ama 375, honestly. I also got a PR package. It was sent via pickup mtaani, the services that I use. It's from House of Kerr. I hope I'm pronouncing it vizuri. House of KARR. They say thank you, Maureen, keep doing you. We love it, we love it. Oh, thank you. I know what they sent them. Yeah, I know it's something to do with plants, artificial plants. So if you can't manage to keep your plants alive, House of Kerr has got you covered. You can buy from them artificial plants. They sent a succulent. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, this is so beautiful. I love it. Oh, so those are the things that I got today. Now let me show you the clothes. Oh, I made my own clothes. So this is a palazzo. I love the details at the bottom. So this is how it looks, and then it's elastic upper kwa waist, as in it has an elastic band, so it can fit sizes different, and it has my label, Kairetu's apparel. And it comes with a top. This is how the top looks. It fits like this, and then huku nyuma unai crisscross hivi nyuma, unafungia hapa nyuma. I also made these palazzos. Easy as in like the details at the bottom, it's just straight. And yeah, it also has an elastic band, so it fits different sizes, as you can see, and hapa mbele iko pleated. I made as a 2 set, so this is how it looks. Like that. Afu kunyuma iko crisscrossed. So yeah, those are the clothes that I got. Sitaonyesha zote. If you want to see all of them, check out my page, Kairetu's Apparel, to see what is available, ama if this is available, if you really like one of them. And yeah, that's all that I got today, guys. Nichangamkie hizi Nasikia njaa, by the way. I've not eaten anything from ile breakfast nilikula asubuhi. So I'm going to take a shower and snack and maybe watch a movie. So I'll be going to film that video that I want to do until tomorrow probably. So yeah, I'll see you guys probably tomorrow, or if not, thank you so much for watching.